The Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021 continues day 4. We got a little shot of rain overnight, so things are a little damp this morning, but we persevere and continue to pick anyway. We've moved now. We're at Nut Haven, where we're starting to pick on some of the bushes here. We got a lot of ripe and ready to go bushes, so we're going to get as many nuts picked as we can today. Hopefully get half of the drying bin filled, start up the big fans and get those drying down. So we'll keep in touch and let you know how the tally goes at the end of the day. Well, a short day of picking here at Nut Haven as storm clouds have rolled through and it rained hard. We need the rain, obviously, but we haven't been able to get out and pick much. You know, what we did get picked is now underwater. The end of day 4 of the Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021. We're going to go ahead and tally up how many of the yellow buckets we got and then spread these out on the bin floor to dry. We didn't get as much picked today as we'd like because of the rain, but we'll go ahead and hit her hard tomorrow and see if we can't make up for lost time.